everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really on-trend, beautiful teal and orange thankful wreath. I've used items from Hobby Lobby, Christmas Tree Shop, and Joann fabrics for this, so if you want to see how I made it, keep on watching. So for the basis of this wreath, you're going to need a hot glue gun, a rotary cutter, or a pair of scissors. I prefer the rotary cutter. Some pipe cleaners or chenille stems. This roll of burlap that you can get from Walmart for $3. A roll of tan deco mesh, and this is 10-inch. This came from Joann fabrics. I'm going to be using this 10-inch buffalo check gray and white from Joann fabrics. I'm going to be using this 10-inch orange with natural jute mesh from Joann fabrics. These 3 ribbons from Christmas Tree Shops. These 2 pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. These were 40% off. And then this sign from Hobby Lobby. For this buffalo check mesh that we're doing, we need 12 pieces, 12 inches long. So I've already cut my 12 and they're up here. And then for this natural colored one, we're also going to need 12 pieces, 12 inches long. And this is the part where the rotary cutter really just comes in handy because it makes it so much quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 12 pieces of these. Next, we're going to need 12 pieces of this orange jute, cut just long enough so it'll roll. Because we're going to do half ruffles and half curls. So as you can see, this is just enough to get it to curl up, and we're going to make 6 bunches of these, so we need 12 pieces of this. So in addition to the other mesh, I have cut 6 pieces of this burlap just long enough so we can roll it. 6 pieces of this is solid teal colored one. I did a dovetail at the end of this. You can do whatever you want at the end of your ribbons. 6 pieces of this natural and orange colored, and I've pointed the tips on that one. And then I've done 6 pieces of this teal plaid, which I have cut a deep V in. So, first mesh roll is going to be a piece of this buffalo plaid, and we're going to ruffle method this, so we just walk our fingers right up the piece of mesh. And I'm going to take a piece of this solid teal and put that on top. And then I'm going to take a piece of this orange and layer it on top of that, so we have this. I'm going to take half of a chenille stem and go right over the top of this. Make sure it's even underneath, and we're going to twist. And then we're going to take a piece of the natural and do the same ruffle method and place it in the opposite direction of this one's going this way, so we're going to place this one this way. So here is our first bundle, and you're going to need 6 of these. You're also then going to make the same bundle but without the ribbon. And then for our accent bundles, we're gonna make ruffles, or curls, sorry. So we're gonna take this orange and we're gonna curl it. And we're gonna take another piece of orange and we're gonna curl and roll it. So I got a fat one and I got a thin one. And then we're gonna take the ribbon that we haven't used yet, which is this teal plaid. Sorry, let's actually go in the right order, Chantel. So we're gonna take one of these guys, roll it, two of the orange, teal goes on top of the orange, and then the burlap will sit on top of the teal ribbon. And we're just gonna do the same thing. Take our pipe cleaner and go over this, and you're gonna need 6 of these. All right, we have 18 bundles of mesh here. We have 12 blossoms and 6 curls. So we're gonna start working on a wreath form. We're working in the 2 center wires, like always, and we're just gonna start building this. So we're gonna do 3 pieces, or 3 bundles per section. This is a whole section right here from bar to bar. So I'm gonna take this big blossom and put it to the edge here. We're gonna take a curl bundle, put that second. And then we'll take one of our bundles with all of the ribbon and put that third. So now all we're gonna do is follow this same pattern all the way around the wreath. So this is what it looks like now that we have all the mesh laid into this. I've also just gone ahead and taken all 3 colors of ribbon and done a triple bow up here. Which I need to fluff. I'll fluff it up later. But this is what it looks like. So now for the fun part, which is the hot glue. Let's prep our little sign here. So as you can see, I've taken the burlap string out of here and we're just going to cover this little hole. So this is the burlap string, and all we're going to do is take a little dab of hot glue behind it, and we're going to wrap this around. So as you can see, I have the little dab of hot glue. And we're just going to start wrapping this around without burning ourselves. So I'm notorious for that. And we're just going to hot glue on the back where we've ended. And snip off the excess. What we're going to do now is take some hot glue and run it around the bottom area and the back, and then just secure it onto the deco mesh. Alright, so this is the final product. All I've done is hot glued these items onto this wreath. Again, I use Gorilla Glue, Hot Glue, or E6000, and it really just melts into the mesh and just secures it on there, and those things are not going to go anywhere on that. So I hope you like it, and I hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching, guys.